Hey guys, Christian Ellis here with Forest River Cherokee. Today we're going to take a look at the 26 MBRR. This is one of the coolest toy haulers in our lineup. Let's take a look. In this unit, you can see how much space is in here. This is a great unit to bring your bicycles, your quads, your motorcycles, your dirt bikes, and even canoes. On our toy haulers, you'll have a blast just hanging out with the family on our back patio. The features on the 26 MBRR are endless. It is going to come equipped with windows all around the unit. It's going to have a beautiful fireplace with our TV right above it. And our kitchen is awesome. It's going to have the upgraded countertops, a 3-burner stovetop with the glass cover, and an 11 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. If the back of the 26 MBRR wasn't enough, let's go to the middle and the front of the coach. In the middle, you're gonna see our spacious bathroom. It's gonna have our biggest shower with an overhead skylight to give you headspace and great lighting. There's gonna be tons of storage in the bathroom so you and your family can put all of your items. In the bedroom, you're gonna have overhead cabinets and side closets as well. We're gonna do 2 USBs on each side of the bed and inside and outside accessible storage from underneath the bed. What sets this toy hauler apart from the rest of the field is our outside kitchen. We're gonna have a stovetop, an outside fridge, and even an ice maker. Coming to the side, we're gonna have our entertainment system. You're gonna be able to take that TV from the inside, put it on the outside, and we have our speakers lower so the sound stays at our campsite. At Cherokee, we have an exclusive premium glass door entry. Like all Cherokee Grow Up and Wolf Pups, this is gonna come standard with a 100-watt solar panel. If you have any questions at all, go to forestriver.inc.com/graywolf. Thank you.